Traveling in America. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will take you on a journey through America. In this video, I will talk about life, food, animals, city life, and people in America. America is one of the largest and most diverse countries in the world. Traveling across America feels like visiting many countries in one place. Every state has its own culture, lifestyle, and beauty. Life in America. Life in America is modern and fast-paced, especially in big cities. People follow schedules and value time a lot. Work, education, and career growth are very important. Technology plays a big role in daily life. People use smartphones, online services, cars, and public transport for almost everything. At the same time, life in small towns is calm and peaceful. People know each other, enjoy nature, and live a simple life. This balance between busy city life and relaxed rural life makes America special. Food in America. American food is famous all over the world. Fast food is very common and easy to find. Burgers, pizza, hot dogs, fried chicken, fries, and steaks are popular everywhere. However, American food is not only fast food. Because America is a multicultural country, you can enjoy food from many cultures. Mexican tacos, Chinese noodles, Italian pasta, Indian curry, and Middle Eastern dishes are available in most cities. People also care about healthy eating. Salads, grilled food, organic products, and fitness diets are becoming more popular. Animals and nature. America has a rich natural environment and wildlife. There are many national parks and protected areas. You can see animals like bears, deer, bison, wolves, foxes, and eagles. Places like the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone National Park, Yosemite, and the Rocky Mountains show the natural beauty of America. Forests, rivers, lakes, deserts, and oceans make the country perfect for nature lovers and travelers. City life in America. City life in America is active, colorful, and exciting. Cities like New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Miami, and San Francisco are known around the world. New York is famous for tall buildings, busy streets, and cultural diversity. Los Angeles is known for Hollywood, movies, and beaches. Chicago is famous for architecture and food, while Miami is known for beaches and nightlife. American cities have shopping malls, restaurants, parks, cinemas, and sports stadiums. Public transport, highways, and airports make traveling easy. People in America. American people are friendly, confident, and independent. They believe in freedom, equality, and personal choice. People usually respect personal space and privacy. America is a land of immigrants. People from Asia, Europe, Africa, and other parts of the world live together. Because of this, you see many cultures, languages, traditions, and festivals. Most Americans are open-minded and welcoming to visitors. They enjoy talking, helping, and sharing their culture. Conclusion. In conclusion, traveling in America is a great experience. It offers modern life, delicious food, beautiful animals, exciting city life, and diverse people. Whether you love nature, cities, food, or culture, America has something for everyone. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.